How do you solve this question? You are welcome back. I am Miss Becca, and in this video, we want to solve this geometry question. It says a straight line passes through the points 2, 3 and 4, k. If the gradient is 5, find the value of k and write the equation of the line. The first thing is for us to find the value of k, and the second thing is for us to find write the equation of the line. So how do we go about this? We will have to solve this using the equation of the gradient of the line. That is, from this question, you see that a straight line passes through the points. We have 2 points here. So this is the equation we will use. We will use gradient, which is m. You know, gradient is m. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And from the given question, we were given points point 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 and point 4 comma k with gradient to be equal to 5. So this is x1, y1 and then x2, y2. So that means 5 will be equal to, what is y2? K minus 3 over 4 minus 2. So 5 will be equal to k minus 3 over 2. When 2 comes here, k minus 3 will be equal to 10. If k minus 3 is equal to 10, that means k is equal to 13. K equals 13. So the first part of the question says find the value of k, and that's what we've just gotten. That is the value of k. K equals 13. And the second part says write the equation of the line. What is the equation of the line of a line when we have two given points? You know, the equation of a line is y equals mx plus c. But when we have 2 points, the equation of the line will be y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. And what is y1? Y1 is 3 and x1 is 2. So we substitute that into the equation so that we have y minus y1. Y1 is 3 equals m is 5 bracket x minus 2, so that we have y minus 3 equals 5x minus 10. So y will be equal to 5x minus 7. When negative 3 goes to the other side, it becomes positive. So this is the equation of the line for this question. Now let's take a look at the second question. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. Line LI has the equation y equals 2x plus 1. Let's write that out. Line L1 has the equation 2x plus 1. And L2 is perpendicular to L1 and passes through the point 4, 5. It passes through the points 4, 5. And then we are to find the equation of L2. So from L1, we can tell that the gradient is from L1, we can tell that the gradient is 2. And since L2 is perpendicular to L1, that means that the gradient of L2 will be the negative of the inverse of the gradient of L1. That is, if the gradient of L1 is m, the gradient of L2 will be negative 1 over m. So now that the gradient of L1 is 2, the gradient of L2 will be -1/2. So if the gradient of L2 is -1/2 and it passes through the point 4, 5, and the question says we should find the equation of L2, then we will use the formula. We will use the equation y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. We already found the gradient, and we were given x1 and y1. So this will be y minus what is the point 4, 5. So this will be y minus 5 equals -1/2 bracket x minus, what is it, x minus 4, x minus 4. So this would give y minus 5 equals -1/2x, then +2. So if -5 comes here, we would have um -1/2x plus 7. So this is the equation of the line for L2. That's the equation of the line for L2. And that will be all for this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and I will respond. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.